Today's Monday. Monday hair. Old, dirty. Haven't done it in a month, but it's been straight. So straight hair lasts for a long time for me. I had it in the ponytail for this past week, which was pretty cute. I did like slick backs and ponytails, and now my head is just way too itchy to let this continue, even though it kind of looks nice. Okay, so since I do need to wash my hair on camera for a different video, I'm gonna go ahead and prep it for that, but also restyle it and do the twist out with like a leave-in product that I've been doing. I'm gonna spray my hair just a little bit. I'm not trying to completely re-wet my hair, just enough so I can brush through it. And I'm also gonna spray it on my scalp to give it a little bit of relief. And I'm going to use this TGIN leave-in. You might be wondering why I don't just go and wash my hair. Just like go shower or just immediately go and just start shampooing my hair. And I find that when I do that, it makes the whole process even worse in terms of detangling. I already have a hard time detangling my hair, and then I have a lot of it, and so I can sit here and detangle my hair for like an hour if I were to just go and like shampoo my hair without getting the shed hair out and getting all the knots out. It would make the process a lot harder. So I always like to go and prep my hair before I shampoo it, and shampoo it in twists, or at least detangled hair at the very least. So this is basically that step of prepping it, but I probably won't be shampooing my hair today. So breaking it up in steps makes it a little bit more manageable for me. I was debating if I wanted to even untwist these, but I just got out of the shower, so I put my bonnet on. This is what my twists look like after twisting them earlier this morning. I don't have anywhere to go, and it's kind of like a chill day. I'll be doing work on the computer, so I don't even necessarily need to take them down, but I think I will. They are pretty much dry. Sometimes I do unravel my twists and they're still a little damp, and usually it's pretty fine. But if you can, wait until they're dry. When I do these super chunky twist outs, I don't try to separate it too much. Just kind of like maybe once, twice maybe, but I'm really just pulling apart the ends, and then it kind of fluffs out on its own. And then I'm gonna fix the back. All right, so this is my Monday hair. It's, you know, a little bit better than how it was before. So I can feel comfortable and cute doing whatever I need to do today. Throughout the day, I'll be back later to show you how it looks at the end of the day and how I'm gonna tie it up, which is not much. I'm just gonna put a bonnet over it, but yeah, I'll see you later. All right, Monday night hair. It dried, so it puffed out, and I've kind of done this a couple times. So quick twist out. These are my results, and this will probably last me 3 days max. After that, it's like more frizzed out and kind of dry, but I'll still wear it. Like, I've worn it for a week. But yeah, if you try this with just leave-in, it's a light hold. It's not like super hard or crunchy, so it can easily be frizzed out, so you just don't touch it a lot. But I mean, as long as you use like a really good product, the moisture, that's how long the moisture, you know, will last. It is nighttime, and I'm probably gonna fall asleep any minute now, so I'm going to tie my hair up. Now, these days I do the simplest hair tie, and I just put my bonnet on. I wish I knew this earlier. A bonnet just keeps everything together. I don't know if it's really the bonnet or maybe my hair is like longer, but when my hair was earlier in, you know, my natural hair journey, I guess, I would put scrunchies all over my head, put little ponytails, and it was work, and it was, you know, like a little bit uncomfortable to sleep, and I've learned it was kind of necessary because I could just put the bonnet on top. I used to try to like get it off my head and do this and that, but yeah. Also though, I did that to stretch my hair, so that's probably why I did it more. So I don't really stretch my hair anymore like overnight. The only stretching I'll do is like just straight blow drying, so I don't have to do it overnight. I guess I don't do heatless stretching. So anywho, yeah, so I'll just do this and pull my bonnet. I kind of push my hair all the way back and then tuck it in. And just make sure none of them gets no hair gets like stretched out. That way you don't get any deformities in the curl. Sometimes I'll go in and make sure it's laying right. But that's all I do, and I'm done. Done. So I'll be back tomorrow to show you how it turns out. But yeah, it's really that simple. So see you tomorrow. Bye. Today's Wednesday, day 3 on this twist out. My hair doesn't feel dry. Oh, also I do work out like 3 to 5 times a week. Last week I worked out 5 times. Usually it's like 3. I worked out for the 3rd time this week, so I do sweat a little bit in my head. I never find that really affects my hairstyles though, but I just thought I would mention it. Hey y'all, it's Saturday. My hair's a mess. Wednesday I had errands to run and it was raining, so my hair got rained on. And I was just like, whatever. I put the bonnet on. I was gonna deal with it the next day. So Thursday, so I just put my hair up in a little high puff. And yesterday I didn't do anything. It was a chill day. I was painting all day. So yeah, my hair was just still up in the puff. It was like a loose. I just literally just like went like this. Ever since it got rained on Wednesday, I desperately needed to do it. Now I didn't end up washing it this week and filming that video that I needed to because my products got sent to my old address. So I'm actually gonna get those this weekend. So that's why I just didn't wash my hair. I didn't really want to wash my hair. I was only gonna do it to film it, so that's why my hair is so dirty. It's that time of the month, so very low energy, 0 energy in fact, and there's no way that I was washing my hair this week. Tonight I'm going to my cousin's birthday dinner, so I gotta do something to it. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna slick it back real quick. I did think maybe I wanted to retwist it, but it's gonna be raining all weekend. If I do another twist out, it's just gonna turn back into this. So I think I'll just slick it back. I took my bonnet off this morning. My hair was on top of my head, and I just took a shower and I didn't put anything on. So I took a shower with my hair out just to like soften it up a little bit. And if it was like dry, just to, you know, let it get a little steam. That's the only reason it kind of looks like it has a shape now. Before it was like on top of my head. But I'm just gonna use Eco and a brush. When I say I do not feel like doing my hair, I do not. This is probably well, documenting this, I'm like, this is a very lazy week, but I do think I do this pretty consistently. Well, I think I said this already, but I straighten my hair, and so that's how it's like, I've stretched the wash so long, but I had it straight for like 2 weeks, and then I wand curled it, and then I put it in a ponytail. So when my hair is straight, it's really easy to stretch and stretch the washes, but my hair is dirty. But like, this is what I do, so I'm trying to be realistic, but talking about it, I'm like, I don't know if this is a good thing or not, but it's what I do. You just gotta be honest.